Hello, my dear audience. Welcome back to my another English speaking video. Today I have come in my field. Why I have come in my field? Because I have been cutting soils in my field since morning. That's why today I have come, and it is very hard work for me. Why it is very hard work? Because when I was a little boy, that time I didn't this work properly. That's why at present I can't this work properly, but I'm trying to work in my field, and it is very important for me. As far as you know, I am only one earning person in my family. That's why when I get freedom, that time I try to go my field and I try to work in my field. It is very important for me because I don't have enough taka for work in my field. That's why I am only one person who am working in my field. And today I will share another things. What is that things? Sometimes people question me, hey Mamun brother, why you have been learning English and how we can start our English journey. It is very common question for me, and I always see different type of person. They comment my comment box, and sometimes they people comment my messenger. It is very important it is very important for our students, and why I have been learning English, and now I will share these things. You know that English is very hard language for us, and English is very very important for our daily life, and side by side English is an international language. That's why some people they always learning English, and I always learning English, and side by side I know, and English is very important for my daily life. And when I speak my with my friends, with my foreign friends, that time they always speak in English. That's why I decided I will learn English properly. Side by side I have seen so many students in my village, they don't know English properly. That's why I will learn English properly, and I will teach in my village poor people. It's my future plan. Side by side I will share one things, and how we can start our English journey. It is very important for our new beginners students. If you want to learn English and if you develop your speaking skill, you follow some tips. Now I will tell you these tips easily. First of all, you have to listen every single day. When you will free, you try to listen English speaking video on your Facebook page or your other site. It doesn't matter. You have to listening. It is a first and main things for our new beginners students. Second thing, you have to practice your English basic grammar. What is basic grammar? Basic grammar is sentence, modal verb, part of speech, voice, tense, others, and you will follow this. I hope when you will follow this grammar, you will improve your speaking skill quickly. And as far as you know, there is no shortcut to learn English. That's why you follow this way. Number 3 and second thing, second is when you will learn English, side by side you will follow English vocabulary, and when you will free, you try to record your English content in your own phone. Right now from standing in my field, at the same time I can describe around this village behind me. This is, I want to show you, and this is hoe, and I'm hard working in my field by this tool, and it is very important and common tool for our people, and every person in this season they always hard working in their family, in their field by this tool, and it is most uses in our agricultural field. And when you will free, you try to describe your around this place, and you try to learn new vocabulary. every day you will learn at least 5 to 10 new vocabulary, and you will try this vocabulary. You will try this vocabulary in your around this place. I hope you will success your life quickly. You will success your life quickly. See you next video. Stay safe, stay your home. If you like my video, you can share this video, and you can comment your good opinion. See you next video. Best luck for everyone.